Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum, what's going on with this token now, and what I'm waiting by end of March. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I wish to see the test of $1,702. Yes, zero level for me personally will be the best case scenario if we're gonna test it. But it's not necessary, so we will. I want to show you just fun moment and not fun moment. For Ethereum, you remember I made a video about how to work with the wedges, so rising wedge, falling wedge, and all of this stuff, and I showed you can find just a free indicator which identify the wedges on different time frames. Look, the first one, it's I want to show you the bullish one is falling wedge. So here, this is a target. Technically, this should play out like exactly 78 level by feet, but we dump it lower. Right now, we formed another falling wedge with a target 0.5 level by feet around 3K381. It's on a daily time frame. Guys, this is example, I recommend you go and check the education video, but this is example. So different time frames, different vision of the patterns, can give you the different result, because there's no some like constanta, something on the market what we can use, and it will play out 100%. So you have to understand it. That's why that's the difficult with the trades, with the trading. If everything it could be so easy, everybody gonna be the millionaires, but it doesn't work like this one. Other way, guys, it's a rising wedge. You will be shocked now, but take a look. This is a daily time frame, and if we use the rising wedge, we should dump to $30. Imagine if yes. Just imagine if yes. So this is a classic pattern. So rising wedge, at the size of this rising wedge, we should hit this target. Not even at 30. It's yes, around 30, around $23. So technically it's possible. Technically it's possible, because in March on 20, we traded at 120. So why we can't drop? Of course we can. I don't think so. Even in the weekly time frame, wow. Even in the weekly time frame here, we've been here with a target like 481, but we didn't drop. And now with a target to $23. It's kind of weird. I don't think so. We should drop so low. If we use a monthly time frame, same story, guys. So for me, it's kind of absolutely weird. How everything showing us the so bearish signals. Here's a rising wedge, and it's playing out. So this rising wedge drop target market before. So targets this indicator showing us in December 2024. Imagine December 2024 with the target, and we reached that target. Also this rising wedge also. So guys, I hope, of course, we will not see the $30 or so, right? Definitely not, but it's possible. It's possible. I don't think any reason why we have to drop even lower than 1K700. But keep in mind, just kind of few words of thought about Ethereum. Global targets, guys. I believe in 6K800, and in this video I want to explain you guys the logic of the market maker. So now we saw a lot of news about the Trump family accumulate the Ethereum. But you have to understand, for example, I'm more than sure they accumulated even here. I'm more than sure. So they accumulated here, but publicly they start accumulating, I guess, around here. So the Trump post, it's good time to buy Ethereum at 3K200, right? Everybody hop in, right? Because usually the people don't know how to work with the news, how to work with the posts from celebrities, right? And here, he posted here, he posted something here. It's the best time to buy. And now, he's not telling you anything about Ethereum, but I believe they accumulated also here. Now, after the election, now they start chilling it. And all this is fancy story about reserve and all of this stuff. But guys, imagine if their entry just approximately like 2K. So for example, they accumulated 1K200, and let's say it's 3K500. So approximately the target is around 2K500, 2K. Now, the public wallet, just a public wallet. This is what we know is their wallet. And it's one of many investors, many big players who accumulate Ethereum. Not only the Trump family accumulated, but now all attention to their wallets. So just imagine, guys, their entry now at 2K500. Let's work with average entries. And you have to understand, the big players, they don't chase the crazy 10x percent gains, or I don't know, 50x to the moon, guys. They accumulate for millions. And imagine, they can't push the price higher, but for retails, you know, for us, like 240%, it's not a big deal if we now invest in Ethereum, because the, you know, like investments, 10K, you get like 10K more, 20K more, right? For you, you know, it's a kind of maybe not a big deal because for someone 10K, it's a big money. But that's why the people waited that 10K for Ethereum, 400, 15K, 20K predictions. But the point is, the big players can push the price to 6K825 and distribute their bags. So yes, it's kind of range, and we can go higher to grab all liquidity of this top, retest it going higher, and for example, stop at, I don't know, 7K, for example. That, guys, will be in crazy profit. After that, they can create its crazy sentiment. So no, we should go to the moon, right? And we can form something like this one. So just in case, it's just a theory, you know. My take is 6K825, around 9K991. Just keep in mind, the big players, they absolutely don't care about the average entries. They care more about the time, because they need more time for accumulation, they need more time for distribution, and they need the liquidity to sell all their bags in good average exit price. That's why they can push the price even to, I don't know, 9K, but they will sell it here, they will sell it here, they will sell it here, and the average exit can be like 7K. So you have to understand it's going to be the crazy profit from 2K to 7K, because the initial deposit of that, guys, it's so huge. Imagine that you invest 100 million and you get like, I don't know, $500 million at the end, the profit, or like 300 million profits from the air, from the fancy virtual token. Because you exactly know where the price will stop. You control this asset, right? Because you got a power to stop it, whatever they want. So take a look, guys, with indicators. I want to show you on the local time frames. Global one, take a look. We're in accumulation. This is a capitulation, so good one. No signal to buy on direction on here. This is accumulation, and I wish to see one more dump to 1K700, right, to form the biggest divergence ever and skyrocket. So that's the point what I wish to see, you know, but it's not necessary, so it will happen. All data is so bearish sentiment. The whales accumulate. We are in the divergence on a daily, so everything more bullish than bearish. But I wish to see the one last drop. Maybe we will not see this one. Here's a money inflow was at 2K250 and 2K. So yes, in average, yes, they can build a price like 2K500, for example. Weekly time frame here also. Money inflow at the lowest point of 1K754. So just a few penny we didn't drop to the 1K702 $. Maybe just my wishes, you know, to see that drop. So guys, everything looks good now. Everything looks good for Ethereum. Sooner or later, with this drop, I guess, or without, we can move like this. So just the two case scenarios, you know, I don't think so we'll drop to 1K200 or so. Of course, I can be wrong, but finally we got this time we got at the beginning of March close all short position. We got a signal to buy, drop, now no signal to buy again. 12 time frame. Take a look. It was the here take profit, buy, but it's just pure speculation. That's why I wish to see, because we are formed like, you know, again, the wedge, and I wish to see something like this. Technically, guys, everything more bullish than bearish, you know, but we need time. We need time and confirmations. We tested the buy line. Tested the buy line on the weekly. This is what I wish to see on the Sol. Yes. On Sol, I wish to see the test of the buy line. Daily time frame, we can test the buy line 1K844. 12 time frame, this is what I talk about. 1K500, but it can be this move, slowly but surely going down, and after that, retest and go higher. So guys, all targets I showed you, and I recommend you guys, first of all, go and check the education video about how to work with wedges, and just an educational purpose. Next one, I recommend you to build a plan. If you accumulate now Ethereum, build a plan when to out. And it will be not a mistake, guys, if you accumulate a 2K out with initial deposit in this block, in red zone, out with initial deposit, and leave free tokens and ride to the new all-time high. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Ethereum now. Are we going much lower, or we stop it here? If you like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.